Given sine theta equals negative 12 over 13, cos sigma equals negative 4/5, theta and sigma in quadrant 3, find the exact value of tan of theta minus sigma. So let's write down tan of theta minus sigma. The formula is going to be a fraction where the numerator happens to be tan theta minus tan sigma over 1 plus tan theta tan sigma. So we are not given tan theta and tan sigma, but that's what we need. Instead, we are given sine theta and cos sigma. So from this, what I'm going to do is draw a right triangle. I will ignore the negative sign for the time being. So sine theta, I will pretend that it is positive 12 over 13. So go ahead and draw a right triangle. Call this acute angle as theta, and sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So this is going to be opposite is 12, hypotenuse is going to be 13. Then we need to figure out the other side. We use the Pythagorean theorem. If you square 13, you get 169. Square 12, you get 144. When you subtract, you get 25. So this is going to be square root of 25, which happens to be 5. Now similarly, ignore the negative sign for this cosine sigma. So draw another right triangle. And call one of the acute angles as sigma. So cosine sigma is 4 over 5. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So this is 4 and that is 5. To get this side, use the Pythagorean theorem. Square this, you get 25. Square this, you get 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. So this side is going to be square root of 9, which is 3. So from here, we can get tan theta and tan sigma. So to get tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So it's going to be 12 over 5. And I have to make sure that it's positive. And since theta is in quadrant 3, tan theta is positive 12 over 5. And similarly, tan sigma, that's also going to be positive because it's in quadrant 3. And tan sigma is 3 over 4. So now I'm ready to plug into the formula. Tan of theta minus sigma is this fraction where the numerator is tan theta minus tan sigma. So it's going to be 12 over 5 minus 3 over 4. And the denominator is 1 plus, we multiply those two fractions, 12 over 5 times 3 over 4. Now we need to simplify this. So let's work in the numerator. How do you subtract two fractions? You can cross multiply. 12 times 4 is 48 minus 5 times 3 is 15. That becomes the numerator for this fraction subtraction. And the denominator is product of the denominators, which is 5 times 4, 20. Now, here I can think of this as 1 over 1, and if I multiply this, I get 1 plus this is 36 over 20. But let's go ahead and again add these two fractions. So 1 times 20 is 20 plus 1 times 12 times 3 is 36. So that's 36 over 1 times 20 is 20. So what we have is simply, now notice if you have a complex fraction where each denominator is 20, you can get rid of that. So the final answer will be 48 minus 15, which is 33, divided by 20 plus 36 is 56.